Mr. President, this statement is made jointly by the International Drug Policy Consortium and 2 other organizations. We are highly concerned by the wide-ranging human rights violations committed in the name of drug control in all corners of the world, ranging from the use of the death penalty to extrajudicial killings, arbitrary arrests and detention, police violence, the denial of access to life-saving harm reduction services and essential medicines, and widespread cases of discrimination. And yet, the global drug control system seems stuck in inertia, unable to put an end to these egregious human rights abuses. We welcome the leadership role played by the OHCHR in calling for transformative change in drug policy. We also welcome the efforts by the UN human rights system to elevate this issue in Geneva, in particular last year's landmark reports on harm reduction by the UN Special Rapporteur on the right to health. At this juncture, the involvement of the UN human rights system is absolutely critical to realign global and national drug policies with human rights. We therefore urge you to consider strengthening the role of the OHCHR and the Human Rights Council in drug policy matters via the adoption of a new resolution on drugs and human rights. This would ensure that they can systematically document and report on the human rights abuses resulting from drug policy and work with policymakers, civil society, and affected communities to urgently change policies and practices on the ground. Thank you very much for your attention.